Hello guys, welcome to Data Analysis with Python for Excel User Part 1. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to read Excel file using Pandas. Pandas is an extension library of Python that commonly used to conduct analysis. I have data here, a sales data. This file consists of three sheets as we can see it. There is personal data, sales data and region sheet, and we will to read this file using Python with pandas. Okay, let's begin. First, we are going to import warnings to in order to handle the error. So just press. And then we are going to import some extension libraries. Even though we are not going to use all that stuff now, but there will be used in the next part. So just import it. Okay. In this Excel file, in this sales file consists of three sheets. So we are going to read test sheets um, part by part, and then we should also read the whole workbook. So first we are going to read the whole workbook. And row R, that stands for browsing, and the path is here in the project and Jupyter project. File name cells with extension S. Okay, and then we are going to read the first sheet. I'm going to name it as sheet 1. Okay, sheet's name 0. That stands for that means the first sheet in the workbook, and just copy it to the first and the second and the third sheet. Okay, and then let's begin to read the whole workbook. So I'm going to display the workbook, display the sheet. Okay, okay, as we can see it, there is personal data, sales data, and region. This is same with the file, right? And then we are going to just use print here. It doesn't matter if we want to close this file. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, there are 35 records and 34 data, right? Then we are going to count sheets in the workbook. There are okay, as you can see it, there are three sheets in the workbook. Okay, and then we are begin to read a data frame in each sheet. So first, display the records in the just type sheet 1 because we have make it in the first line, right? Just try it. Okay, there it is. It's same, right? There are 33 records in the sheet 1. So if you want to display the sheet 2, you can change it to sheet 2. Okay, sales ID, sales by region, January, February, March. Okay, if you want to display the sheet 3, just change it to 3. There it is. Okay, to display the first few rows, we can use this. You can use sheet 1 hat. Okay, it just display the 5 first rows in the data, we could also display the last few rows using let's change it to okay before this is should display all the data, but if we want to display the last few rows or 5 records of data, we can use tail. Okay, the last is in line 33, and then we are going to indexing by rows or records. So just type it 1 by rows. Set 1, and this is right. This is will display all the data, so you can start with 0 for the first record here, 1 for the second record, and etc. Example. Okay, if you put 1, it will start with the second row. The first row will be 0 here, and let's display 5 rows, the first 5 rows. Okay, 0 means start and 5 means stop, and we will display indexing by column. Shuttle. What is in column? It's in shuttle. There are cells ID. No. Where is it? Shuttle. Okay, cells ID and cells by region. Okay, just wait a second. Because the kernel is busy now. What? Why? So shuttle. Cells by region. Oh, because Python is a case sensitive, so just make sure that we type it in right way. Okay, there is it. We have indexed it by column, and if you want to display just the first few rows, just you can use hat again here. See, and tail for the last few rows. Okay guys, I think this is enough for this part. I hope you enjoy the tutorial, and thank you. See you in the next tutorial.